Ready to unlock the secrets to acing your Retell Lecture Pte and getting the best AI results? First, let's understand the Retell Lecture prompt. Focus on the audio you're about to hear. Listen attentively and take notes. This is your foundation for keyword selection. Step 1. Active listening. As the lecture plays, actively listen, don't just passively hear it. Strive to understand the core message. Try to identify the main topic and the speaker's key arguments. What are the main concepts or ideas conveyed? Step 2. Identify the core concepts as you listen. Start jotting down keywords. These are the words and phrases that represent the central themes and supporting details. Concentrate on nouns, verbs, and key adjectives, the words that carry the most meaning. Look for repetition. If a term is repeated, it's very likely a keyword. Step 3. Prioritize and categorize. Once you have a list of keywords, prioritize them. Which ones are most critical to conveying the main idea of the lecture? Categorize them into logical groupings based on their relationship to each other. This helps in summarizing the lecture. Step 4. Summarize with chosen keywords. Use your carefully selected and prioritized keywords to create a concise summary of what you have heard. Practice conveying the main meaning and supporting elements with your chosen words. Remember, keeping it brief helps to improve understanding in the AI system. By mastering these steps, you will improve your ability to select relevant keywords, making your Retell Lecture performances higher.